blink, lash reveal, lash reveal. The most important part of doing your DIY cluster lashes is taping up your eye. This is the tape that professional lash techs use when they are doing lash extensions on clients. You're gonna take a strip of tape about this big. You can just rip it like this. You don't have to get scissors or anything. This tape is specially meant for your skin. It's a form of medical tape, so you don't have to worry about this hurting you. However, if you do have really sensitive skin, I recommend taping it on the back of your hand first and then peeling it off just to get a little bit of that residue off because it is very, very sticky. Take your tape, hold it horizontally, get it as close as you can to the base of your eyelid, tape down the bottom half of the tape like this, lift it up and tape up the top half of the tape to your eyebrow like this. See how these eyelashes, I can see them and I can see my waterline? I can't see that over here. Not only is this going to protect your eyelid from getting glue on it, it's going to protect your eyeball from getting glue in it. And when you can see your waterline, you can ensure that you are placing the lashes at the correct angle and keeping them out of your waterline. One of the most important things about doing your cluster lashes is making sure that nothing is ever in that pink waterline because that's when things are going to hurt or they're going to itch. We're going to be using the clear You Cool Me lash glue. It goes on white and it dries clear. It is one of the most waterproof glues I have ever used. You're going to take your bond and you are going to apply it all over your lashes from root to tip. A lot of people here on TikTok are going to tell you, only tap the glue at the base, only tap the glue at the bottom, don't put it all the way up. I'm telling you, if you want your lashes to last longer, put it on like mascara. Just trust me. If your lashes clump up, I have a hack for that. It is posted in my Just Lashes playlist. Another very important tip is that you don't want to start right away after applying the glue. Let the glue sit and get tacky for a second, about 45 seconds. Something important that I need to show you for how to get your lashes out of your box. Give your applicator a lick-see. If that grosses you out, I feel you, I hear you, I respect you, dip it in water. A lot of people tend to go for the tip of the lash like this when they want to get it out, but this is gonna split your lash in half. I'm starting with 14, so I'm gonna grab it by the base of the lash like this. I'm gonna give it another lick-see, and now I'm gonna grab it by the tip because we do apply it by the tip. All right, let's pop our first lash on. This is a size 14. What you're going to want to do is get it as close as you can to the bottom of your natural lash without getting in that pink waterline. Get it as close as we can without actually touching that waterline. I do not overlap my lashes. I put them side by side. So I'm going to put a 14 right next to the other 14. This is a 13. Again, I do not overlap my lashes. I just place them next to each other. I'm going to take this 12. This is an 11. Okay. So far we did 14. 14, 13, 12, 11. Give your applicator a lick-see. We're going to go in with another 10. Blink, blink, reptile, blink, reptile, blink. And your next step is going to be to lick your applicator. If licking it grosses you out, dip it in water. That's fine. You need to pinch your lashes. Pinch your lashes. The reason we lick the applicator is because this bond is hella sticky. See how it's still sticking? The bond is hella sticky, guys. If you don't lick your applicator or dip it in water, the lash is going to try to stick to your applicator. Your next step is going to be taking the seal side of your bond and seal. You are just going to give it a little tap, guys. Do not overuse your seal. You use too much, it's going to make your lashes really hard. So you lick and pinch before the seal and after the seal, guys. Remember, you have to follow all of my tips and tricks. Lick a Q-tip. If that grosses you out, dip it in water. You need to swipe that waterline before you finish. Otherwise, that residual glue, residual seal is going to dry and harden on your waterline. That's going to hurt you later, even if it doesn't hurt now. Look at these lashes. Oh, they look so good. They look so good. And I love how they look from the top. Like they look like you have naturally voluminous lashes.